Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm with my host Sarabjit Singh Ji and I'm going on a village tour with him.
वन ऑफ द ओल्ड एंड इसके अंदर मैंने सब अपना बचपन गुजारा सब सीखा है.
Okay. So guys, this is the village Gurudwara and it is one of the oldest Gurudwara of this village. And that place is for relaxing sitting. Those who want to have chit chat they can come and sit there.
पानी घर से निकलता है वो कहाँ जाता है मुझे पता नहीं है. गांव में ऐसे 2-3 बने हुए हैं. जितना भी पानी हम यूज़ करते हैं वो सारा बाद में इधर आ जाता है.
Okay.
बाकी ये बारिश से भर जाता है.
Okay. Guys, this is for collecting wastewater. Not wastewater, from like bathroom and from kitchen and all that.
एंड ऑल्सो अर्लियर पीपल यूज टू उनकी गाय भैंस सबको टू गिव देम शावर.
Oh.
इसके अंदर लेके आ जाते थे. अभी थोड़ा गांव के अंदर हर घर के अंदर वो ऑटोमेटिक वाटर वाला सिस्टम लग गया है. उस टाइम पे हैंड पंप होते थे. तो बड़ा हार्ड होता था. तो गर्मियों में इसके अंदर छोड़ देते थे. गाय भैंस इसके अंदर तैरते रहते थे.
Okay. So guys, cows and buffaloes they also used to take shower over here earlier. And see, birds are swimming, if you can see. Birds are enjoying their shower.
इसको खेड़ा बोलते हैं.
Okay. Guys, this is called Kheda and this is for the well-being of village and there is no restriction for any religion. Anyone can come and pay a visit and worship over here. And this is the gully of this village. Wood work is going on. It's dark. So this is their post office and it is the oldest house of this village. See. This is the oldest door of this village. This is well, if you can see, I'll show you. This is for pulling, I think, pulling water. And this is how it looks. It's dark. It's so nice to come for a village too. Even he's also vlogging. I'll put his channel link in my description. If you're interested, you can subscribe to his channel. He does in Punjabi. Guys, look at the parrot over there. So guys, after giving you a little village tour, now I'm going to show you the crop fields of this village. And I am trapped. And I'm on a scooter right now. Finally, I'm in the crop fields and see it's turning golden and it's ready to harvest. And you can see the irrigation system. And sunset behind me, you can see. Yeah, sunset. Oh my god, this feels so amazing.
ये चल रहा है पानी जैसे.
Sweet.
ऐसे लगता है एनिमेशन वाले किसी लैंड में नहीं आ जाते यार.
I hope you are enjoying this village tour. See how beautiful this paddy looks. It's turning golden. Guys, he's his cute son, Ajit Singh, and she is his mom. She's aunt.
अपनी कहानी बोल देनी मैं इतना काम है
Auntie is so funny and so amazing she is.
Mom is saying I am gonna tell my story कि मुझे बहुत काम पड़ा है अभी. She is a very busy woman.
I can see that. And it's so cute. Hi Sin.
अजीत सिंह कैमरे मोबाइल च देखो हेलो बोलो कुछ तो बोल दो भैया
हेलो
कुछ तो बोल दो
हेलो
वो कौन है छोटा बच्चा
Say hello.
काका
Do hello.
कर दो चाची को फतेह कर टाटा
Oh wow, he did. Oh my god, he just did Sasika.
फतेह कर दो
Guys, he is Sarabjit Singh's dad.
ये बताओ तुम किसकी माँ के बाप के बेटे हो
किसके माँ के बाप के माँ के
तो YouTube पे जो लोग वीडियो देख रहे हैं आपको अगर इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पता है तो कमेंट करके बताओ
Yeah, guys.
तुम किसकी माँ के बाप के बेटे हो
Guys, if you know the answer of this question, please answer in comments and I'll wait for your answer. Thank you.
अपने घर पर फोन करके पूछ लो क्वेश्चन आंसर भी क्या है क्या मुझे बता दो
उनको तो
ये भी कर लेते क्या हो वो ना क्या हो
And guys, this is Sarson Da Saag. If you are interested in Punjab, then you will know what this is. And this I have with corn roti. Guys, now
very glad to
now auntie is making corn chapati, corn roti, makki ki roti. So guys, I'm finally going to have Sarson Da Saag in corn roti, makki ki roti. This is very tasty. So guys, I'm going to end my today's vlog now and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.